SEO, search engine optimization, probably one of the most important digital marketing strategies that aims to improve our website visibility and ranking on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. In this course, participants will learn about the principles and techniques used to optimize websites for search engines. This course will cover topics like keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page, technical SEO, link building, and analytics. All participants will learn how to conduct keyword research, how to optimize website content and structure. This is probably one of the most important strategies in digital marketing, because this is the only organic way that we have to attract more people to our website. The best part of the course is the potential of artificial intelligence in the realm of SEO with this dynamic module. We will dive into the fusion of technology and digital marketing as we explore specific AI platforms and AI's role in revolutionizing SEO practices. We will learn machine learning algorithms, how they can analyze and predict search and engine trends, empowering us to stay ahead of the competition.